Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so here we're given a company that makes skis for beginners. The fixed costs, we're told, are $30. So we have to fill out this table for total cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost. So let's start with total cost. And Excel here will help us do this a lot quicker. Total cost is simply variable cost plus fixed cost. So that's 30. If we drag it down, we get that 10 plus 30 equals 40. So we can keep doing this for every single row here, and we would get, for example, that 70 plus 30 equals 100. The average variable cost is simply going to be the variable cost divided by the quantity. The first one will be blank because we can't divide by 0. However, we can do variable cost divided by quantity here, and we get 10. And similarly for the rest of them, right? For example, 45 divided by 3 will be 15. If we do this row, 100 divided by 5 will be 20. Similarly for average total cost. Again, we can't divide by 0, but total cost divided by quantity will give us the average total cost. And again, same thing happens for these numbers, right? 75 divided by 3 equals 25. 100 divided by 4 equals 25. Now, marginal cost, you see, we have to be careful here because marginal cost is going to be the difference in total cost over the difference in quantity. It just so happens that the difference in quantity is going to be equal to 1 because quantity here is going by ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be equivalent to the change in total cost. So this, let me put parentheses, this minus this divided by the change, and we want to use parentheses here too, the change in quantity. So this is our marginal cost. Total cost increased by 15. And we drag it down, and so these are our numbers, right? So here total cost increased by, and the first one should be 10, right? Because total cost went from 30 to 40. Increased by 10, increased by 15, increased by 20, increased by 25, increased by 30, and then increased by 35. So this does not need to be there. This is actually supposed to be this way, okay? Now, again, we can only do this, right? The marginal cost is just going to be the changes in cost because quantity is increasing by 1, and you cannot forget this. If this was not increasing by 1, then these numbers would not be the same as just the difference in total cost.